here for another update on the elephant ears. It's a little windy. This was the last ear that was videoed that was still fairly closed, and now he's open. We've got, tripped over my flamingo. We've got another guy opening right here. This one has new babies opening. He's about to be opened. This guy is getting bigger. And there's another baby coming off of him, including the one in front. That little guy down here is coming up. Sorry it's so windy. Just wanted to update you guys. The 4 o'clocks in the planter are doing wonderful. They have grown a tremendous amount from the rain. These guys have gotten bigger too. I cannot remember what these are, but these are the sweet peas. I need to get these guys on a trellis because they're starting to fall over. But this guy's getting pretty tall too. These are the sweet peas also. But yes, the elephant ears are doing amazing. I did add a little fertilizer to them. Not much though. Update on the sunflowers. They're a little bigger. Sorry about the wind. I should have waited to come out this morning. We're about to get severe thunderstorms. But the one that's right here, he's gotten a little bigger. And then the 2 twins, they're doing really good. I had 2 come up out of 1 seed, so I was fairly happy with that. So those are the twins. They're doing really good. Just a glance at the front. There's the butterfly and hummingbird bush. These guys are doing show you the baby sunflowers that are around the side of the house also. Which they're doing good too. Yeah, see the sky? We're about to get some pretty heavy storms. But here, these guys, they have sprouted up like crazy too. This end one, he's not doing too good. Might have to get something out here. Might have to put down some more coffee grounds. That method has worked really good. But yes, these guys are growing pretty decent. Just wanted to update everybody real quick. I will show you the ones that I have potted on the porch. Fixed everything here from the wind. But yeah, everything's coming together slowly. Once everything is bloomed and flowered, this will look so much different. And I cannot wait. Show you the plants up front here. This little guy. Then I've got this little guy. And this guy. He's getting pretty tall. Trellising up these. I have to reroute them. There we go. Wow. He's really wiring up around stuff. There we go. Let's see if I can get him up and out of here. There we go. And we'll have to find a spot to trellis him up through there. I'll probably do that off camera. But we'll give you another good look. My gladiolus are coming up good, besides the middle ones still. Give you an extra look at these guys. And then I'll fix the trellising. But yeah, there's the update. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The elephant ears would appreciate it, because they still have a lot of updates for you guys, and so do the flowers. But like, share, subscribe. Thank you all, and have a good day.